Hi, I'm Massey from HSP 4x4 and today we're shooting from a remote location showing you the brand new Ram with Rambox Roll R cover. So as you can see here, this is the first one that we've done. This is a released product now. It's a bit different to the other Rams because obviously you've got the Rambox here, so you've got the storage sections already pre-built in, which made it a little bit more different in terms of building out a different roller cover for this. But we're done and it's an amazing job. I'm very proud of the team. As you can see here, we've got fully customized side rails which go over and out, and we've got a plastic injection molded part in here just to make the unit a lot more waterproof and give it a better aesthetic finish as well. I'll get you to come through here and I'll show you how the unit works. So you've got the option to open and close it with your factory remote. So that's the Ram factory remote. All you do is double click it and you can see the unit is operating there. You'll instantly notice the big LED light, full width integrated as well. You'll also have the option to open and close this from the mobile app as well. And the mobile app can be downloaded from the App Store on either Google or Apple, the App Store. You also have the option to open and close the unit from your touchpad just here. So if I press close here, you can also pause it in any position as well. So as you can see here, just a simple tap, pause, open, and that's in any position here. This is also the only 100% Australian manufactured roll top, and that's something we're very proud of. It is available through HSP or any of our distributors. Feel free to visit www.hsputilids.com or follow us on any of our social media at HSP4x4 for more information.